All right, let's keep this thing rolling. So now this one is going to be a pretty short video. We want to get this button to work. Okay, so on this video, we're just going to look at the confirm button. We want this confirm button to work, and this is step number 6, I believe. Yep. Yup. All right, here we go. And that's going to happen inside of app. So let me come over here to app.js. And what do I want to do? Right here, my 6th step is we're going to get this handleSubmit to work. So handleSubmit function. And we're going to pass this again in the form component. So because the form component contains the button that needs to know what to do. All right. So let's start off like this. I'm going to say console.log handleSubmit. I'm sorry. That's not what I want to do. I want to say const handleSubmit. And it's going to take an event. Basically, what we want to do, we want to say events.prevent default. And then I'm just going to console.log form data. Real simple. See, let me get that out of the way. So we're just going to console the data. I mean, we could, maybe do some other stuff with it. But I'm just going to console form data here in my form in the component here. As a prop, I'm going to pass in handleSubmit. And then I need to know where to put this. Where am I going to add handleSubmit? No, we're not going to do it on the button. Good guess, though. Good guess. But let's come over here to form. And so here for the button, we gave it the type submit. So if you think way back, millennia ago, when we were doing HTML forms and learning about inputs, and there's an input that's type is submit, right? And with that input type submit, it looks like a button, but it submits the information that's been collected from the form. Okay. And that happens, it collects everything that is in the form. Okay. Here we're saying the button, what type of button this is. This is a submit button, so it's expecting to work in a particular way. Where we want to add this attribute, we want to add that right here on the form. Okay, so 7th, lucky number 7, we're going to add on submit attribute to the form element. And we'll give it a value of props.handleSubmit. And that's what we did. So we're going to add this attribute here called onSubmit to the form element. So I'm right here on the form element. Right here, I'm going to add onSubmit. And we pass in props.handleSubmit. And I want to say that's it. I'm going to come over here, open up my console. Gang of errors. What are these errors? Instead, got a value of Boolean type. Let me see. What did I do wrong? I'm going to submit props.handleSubmit. Okay, and handleSubmit is handleSubmit. HandleSubmit. Okay. Yeah, we're just okay. Yeah, we're just consoling, so that's gonna be okay. I refresh it. There it is. That's what it looks like right now because that's from line 36 of the form. We're on console and props. Let me remove that. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Refresh. I got nothing there, and now I can start putting in stuff. And we didn't do any password validation or anything like that. You know, like we've done where we could add some regex, saying, hey, the password's got to look like, you know, whatever. Put phone number in here 777-9311. Thank you, somebody. Day class. Just type test right there. I hit confirm, and look at there. There we got everything. Comments, test, day class, email. Evening class is false because I didn't check that. First name, last name, password, phone number, username. We just built the form out in React. How long did it take us? Huh? No, how long did it take us?
2 hours.
6 months. There you go, a year. There you go. Took me a year to build this form out. Pay me. Pay me for a year's worth of work to build out this form. But there it is. So that's building out a form in React. And also notice that up here, the username changed as well. So updated. So what that means we could do, if we want to make this look a little cleaner, okay, I could make a component that is a, I guess, I don't know, a receipt or whatever that will display all the information that we have. Maybe if I want to make a card, you know, for this user, you know, we could say, hey, this is their username, this is their email address. Maybe we could, you know, you could also, because it's just an input, we could, you know, get an image, right? So we can have them upload an image file for like a profile pic, and we just collect all the information, style it up, and you know, show it somewhere. We, you know, we could do plenty of things. We could have a checkbox to say, hey, this person is favorited. This is one of my favorited accounts. We have yeah, anything we want to do, but this is the basics, okay? So it's not too complicated, just building on a little bit of what we've done so far. We needed to know how to handle inputs when it comes to React, knowing how to update the state of the application by each keystroke that we make, and then how do we submit the information. So now we've collected the information on the front end. Again, we could take it and send it to a server to store the information in a database. And that's it. We have built out a form in React. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you all for participating. I suppose I should say like, share, comment. Like, share, and comment my videos. Hey. So yeah, questions, comments about anything that we've done. I'm not troubleshooting right now, but any questions, comments? Yes. Yes.
So, this past weekend, one of my dad's friends asked me because they know
That's about this. The vid about this. Any question about this? All right, cool. Well, we'll get into another lesson later.